Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Happy Memorial Day. Let's talk surf forecast for your upcoming week. First things first, in observance of Memorial Day, we will be closing the shop today at 3 p.m. So come grab what you need. Come see us. Up until 3 p.m. we'll be closed. Second thing, next Monday is June 1st. That is the start of Atlantic hurricane season. So this is the time of year we start to look to the tropics for some swell production for us. And this beginning of the season is really when we look for this homegrown style of development. So this is the GFS model on Tropical Tidbits for next Saturday, this upcoming Saturday, May 30th. You see this low pressure system off the tip of the Yucatan Peninsula. Low pressure systems, when they form there, tend to move north and then to the east. It's this phenomenon called round the corner. So, maybe looking at some tropical development not far off the coast going into next weekend. We've also had the 6th tropical wave of the season move off the western coast of Africa within the last couple of days. We're still 3 to 5 days out from that storm, low pressure system reaching the western Caribbean. Still 5 to 7 days out from any development there. So, we'll keep you posted, but hurricane season, it's pretty much here. Let's jump into the details for the next few days. Right now out on Folly, we've got 3 feet at 7 seconds of east-southeasterly swell on tap, as well as 3 feet at 6 seconds of southerly wind swell. Winds don't look great today, 10 to 20 miles an hour out of the south, but it should be very similar to the surf from the last few days. Rideable. Maybe a little lump and bump, but rideable and fun. Tomorrow, Tuesday, still 3 feet at 7 seconds of that southeasterly swell holding strong, and 3 feet at 6 seconds of the southerly wind swell still coming through. Winds are going to be pretty much same story tomorrow, 10 to 20 miles an hour out of the south. Wednesday, we've got 3 feet at 8 seconds of that southeasterly swell working its way through. That southerly wind swell is down a little bit in size. Winds should also back off a little bit by Wednesday, only 10 to 15 miles an hour out of the south. Thursday, I'm highlighting here simply because of the wind. Winds should be light, only 5 to 10 miles an hour out of the west by Thursday. And we're still going to be at 2.5 feet at 9 seconds of that southeasterly swell. Should be working its way through. So, Thursday could be clean and some decent fun lines coming through. Friday, we're down to 2 feet at 8 seconds of southeasterly swell with southwesterly winds returning 5 to 15 miles an hour. By Saturday, we got 2 feet at 6 seconds of southeasterly swell, and winds are going to be out of the west. Again, more like that Thursday. Wind 5 to 15 miles an hour there. And then Sunday, our primary swell component is coming out of the northeast. So again, this is where we're going to start looking at that low pressure system moving off the tip of the Yucatan Peninsula. As of right now, Surfline's calling it 3.5 feet at 7 seconds out of the northeast, with northeasterly winds blowing 10 to 20 miles an hour. So, hurricane season has arrived. Everyone enjoy Memorial Day. We'll keep you posted on the tropics going into next week. We're here until 3 today. Everybody have a great Memorial Day. You.